How to register income tax for the first time. In this video, I'll show you how to register for income tax for the first time.
So to get started, you'll need to register with your country's tax authority, which could be the IRS for US, ATO for Australia, or CRA for Canada, depending on your location. The first step is to gather all necessary documents like your identification, proof of income, and any relevant tax forms. Once you have these ready, visit the official website of your tax authority and create an account. After setting up your account, you'll need to fill out a registration form. This form typically asks for basic personal information, including your name, address, and employment details. Once your registration is complete, you'll receive a taxpayer identification number or equivalent. This number will be used in all future tax filings. Remember to keep track of deadlines for filing your tax returns to avoid penalties. And that's how to register for income tax for the first time.